Turbo Trading with head trader Robert Knight, MBA.
This is a video of the cup and handle pattern and how strong this pattern is. This is LGVN. This was initially it's a low float stock, and we were trading it earlier this morning, and it got up to this 12 level and failed a couple of times here to get through it. But if you look at this pattern, this is a classic cup and handle pattern. This is the 2-minute chart. This is the cup. This is a big cup. Here's the handle. Made a little bit of a dip there, and then when it broke through that, this is a very powerful pattern. When it breaks through that high of day with this pattern in place, you normally get a big surge, and sure enough, that's what happened. I traded 14. I said at 12 over 12.25, traded 13.5, and so it did get through that position. Now this could pull back, but it's the initial pop. Now you have to be watching this closely for this pattern to develop. I was doing a different video, so I didn't get a chance to see this happening. But if you look at this even on a 1-minute chart, you could almost look at it this way, as this is the cup, and here's the handle, and then off it goes. So you got this big cup here, here's a handle, this can be a cup, this is the handle, so that gives it a double whammy, really, to the upside for power, and away it goes. And sure enough, at the apex, or close to the apex of the wedge, ascending triangle pattern here like this, it did hold the support on the 50 period moving average here, held on the 15 period here, and off it goes, boom. So a very strong pattern, very good one to recognize. Now, if you have any difficulty recognizing it, or you think this might be a cup and handle pattern, feel free to ask me, and I'll tell you whether it's a strong one, a weak one, or one at all. Because one of the things you have to be very careful about is thinking you see a pattern that nobody else sees. If nobody else sees this pattern, if this isn't, in this case, this is a cup and handle, but if this was not a cup and handle pattern and it got up to this level and you thought, oh, this is a cup and handle, I'm buying it, and it failed, it's because nobody else is recognizing that as the pattern. This is a cup and handle, so off it went. So you have to make sure that the pattern that you're recognizing, everybody else is seeing exactly the same pattern, because that's why these stocks go. It has nothing to do with the pattern. It has to do with the psychology of trading, where all the other traders in the world that are watching this and believe in cup and handle and it being a powerful pattern, buy the stock. And so if you're the only one that's seeing that pattern because you've mistaken it, then the stock's not going to go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.